Find the derivative with respect to x of cosine of x over x plus 1. So the cosine is our outside, and the x over the x plus 1 is our inside function. We got to use the chain rule with the quotient rule here. So let's go. Cosine differentiated gives you a negative sign. And then here you have x over x plus 1. And then you have to multiply by the derivative of that inside, which is the x over the x plus 1. Continue here. So it's going to be negative sine over x plus 1. And then you do this one by the quotient rule. So it's going to be low d high. So the low one is the x plus 1. The d high means the derivative of the high one, which is just the derivative of x, which is 1. Then you subtract. So low d high minus high, which is x. And the derivative of the low one, which is again just 1. So low d high minus high d low. And in the bottom you have x plus 1, that quantity squared. That's the quotient rule being applied. So now you have negative sine of x over x plus 1. Clean this up a little bit. So here when you distribute this, it's going to go over to here, it's going to go over to here. You're going to have x plus 1 minus x over that x plus 1 quantity squared. Continue, so negative sine of x over x plus 1. So clearly this one cancels with this one, which means all that remains is a 1 with the negative. In other words, you can just write negative sine of x over x plus 1 divided by x plus 1, that quantity squared right here. That's a square. Here's all the work. Please be sure to leave a like.